The objective of the EU is to essentially increase the production of solid biofuels in the years to come. There are several energy-intense species which are suitable for cultivation. The efficiency of production chains has been built up by developing planting and harvesting methods, as well as by creating new clones. Energy crops are used to produce heat and electricity in power plants and biogas plants. Also, the final product of a biogas plant may be biofuel for vehicles. The difference between energy crops used in biogas plants and power plants is that the byproducts generated in biogas plants are recycled in nutrition and used as soil amendment, as well as to create new humus. This is solid byproduct generated by a separator in the biogas process. It will be temporarily stored and then spread out on the fields again. Instead, in power plants, wood-based fuels are used and the byproduct is ash. The cultivation of agrobiocrops composes an aerial activity chain, which provides a positive impact on farming, transport chain and in the energy producer. It has an aerial employable influence and positive local financial reflections. There are a lot of areas which cannot be used for food crop production, but which are suitable for solid bioenergy crop production. The price of energy produced by energy crops depends on the efficiency of the production chain. The costs during cultivation, harvesting and transportation, as well as the efficiency rate of the power plant itself, combine the final result. The purchase of fuels for a power plant is mostly scattered, and the technology used on the plant has a strong influence in the utilization of energy crops. The most common crops used in energy production, among others, are reed canary grass, a mix of maize and grass, poplar, miscanthus and willow. There has been a development of different methods for cultivation and harvesting for each type of crop. Solid biofuel crops used for combustion are harvested in the dry season. For example, the RCG, which is an excellent Scandinavian crop, hibernates under the snow and harvested in early spring. RCG is a biofuel besides wood chips and peat. RCG grows in different kinds of soil. The energy content of a hectare yield is from 20 to 30 megawatts. In Finland, the cultivated area for RCG ought to rise to 100,000 hectares by the year 2016. The annual yield would be equivalent to 2.25 terawatt hours of energy production. The company Vapo has developed RCG in cooperation with other research institutes to meet the requirements of our power plants as a suitable energy crop. It is a renewable crop with a positive impact on greenhouse emissions. The combustion properties of RCG are much straw-like, but it has better technical boiler properties. Reed canary grass is stored at Kokkolan Voima power plant in a storehouse, especially designed for RCG. The crusher and the feeding belt is located under the same roof. The reed is crushed to the length of 5 to 10 centimeters and transported directly into the boiler by a pneumatic transport system. Also, it is possible to blend wood chips and RCG by using the same crusher for both.